This is how we at Midas Awnings Singapore perform the awning installation process. Step 1. Preparation and measurement. Our team will prepare the necessary materials and measure the area to ensure the installation process runs efficiently and the awning fits the space correctly. Step 2. Installation of flashing, brackets and system. The flashing, brackets, and system will be installed using heavy-duty screws to ensure the level to prevent misalignment. This step guarantees a stable and durable installation. Step 3. Install the chain arms. Chain arms will be installed for enhanced security and organization. This ensures a sturdy and functional space. Step 4. Final inspection and testing. The newly installed awning will be inspected so that all components are securely installed, there are no loose parts or defects. Check out the difference before and after our awning installation. Looking for expert awning installation services in Singapore? WhatsApp us at 824100032.